Welcome to Rolling Hills. We're a school in Murrelbark in the outer east of Melbourne. We're here today to talk about active schools, active travel, walking to school, and a partnership that we formed with Yarra Ranges Council, Access Health and Eastern Health.
The Active Travel Initiative is actually a result of our integrated transport strategy. So our special engineering team focuses on how we can get people out of cars and using more sustainable modes of transport, so public transport, walking, cycling, etc. And so this project actually spawned out of a desire to get kids walking to school.
So walking, riding, wheeling, and that was to reduce congestion around schools as well as promote that physical activity. We also wanted to engage our student voice and agency, so the students were really able to have ownership of this project by naming the walk, they called it Walkity Walk, and also by naming the safe walking routes that we use to walk to school. And they also were marketing the program and the project to their fellow students.
This post is about Walk and Talk Day, and it's like very bright and big, and it says all the do's and don'ts for when you're walking.
We've also done some infrastructure changes, so there's parking changes out the front of the school, and at Rolling Hills we're delivering a new footpath connection as well as some new signage around there.
Yeah, so there used to be grass here before. Now that the council has put in the footpath, it's made it more accessible for the school students to walk or even bike ride to school. Yeah, my philosophy has always been it's so important to keep active, to keep you moving throughout your life. So I think it's really important to start at a young age.
As a mum, it's really encouraging for my daughter to be able to have this healthy outlet to walk to school, to wake her mind up, wake her body up before school, meet up with friends and just start the day off in a positive way.
I love that it was generated by the students, how they want to get more active and walking to school.
The research shows that kids have happier lives if they do more exercise.
That 1 in 5 kids ride and walk to school only.
Well, I was dropped off at school, but now I'm going to walk to school. So I'm going to get more healthy and I'm going to get more fresh air and get more exercise and stuff.
It's good to get to know your area more, and it's good for the environment because you're not spreading gases all over the air and stuff.
So for our students, understanding road safety, how to get to school in a safe way, how to cross roads, how to move through traffic.
And in walking, they sometimes have to cross other roads before getting to the school crossing position, and they then learn to look, listen, think and stop before they actually cross each particular road.
We're always telling the students to look out for each other and stick together and that sort of thing. So it really aligns well with how we want to promote our wellbeing and build those personal skills in the students.
Not just an infrastructure project, it's also not just a allied health project. It's bringing all of the players to the table so that we can really fix some issues and get kids walking to school.